The Fit and Fresh Remi lunch bag uses a thick neoprene-style fabric that naturally insulates so meals and snacks stay at a safe, enjoyable temperature for hours without feeling bulky. Because the material resists tears and stains and can be cleaned in a standard washing machine, the bag holds up well to daily use and is easy to keep looking presentable for work or school. The included set of small matching containers and the extra large slim ice pack make it simple to portion food, keep items separated, and maintain reliable cooling without dealing with loose ice. Its interior space is generous enough for multiple containers, a drink, and extras, and the side snaps let you expand or streamline the shape depending on how much you need to pack. Wide top access and sturdy handles make packing and carrying straightforward, and the soft structure lets the bag fold down when empty, so it does not take over your desk or cabinet. Beyond lunches, the stylish mauve design and flexible neoprene construction work well for carrying bottles, cosmetics, or small picnic items, so it functions as a compact, everyday tote as much as a lunch bag.